Our topic for today, chemical reactions in living organisms' body. But first we have to know what's meant by biology. Biology is a branch of science that deals with the studying of living organisms' body. But can you ask yourself, what does your body consist of? Your body contains many systems like circulatory, nervous, respiratory, digestive, and skeletal system. Each one of them contains many organs like brain, liver, stomach, 2 kidneys, 2 lungs, heart, spleen, small and large intestine, and each organ of them may contain one type of tissue or many types of tissues. These tissues, as you see here, we will talk about them next unit. So, if you look at the cartilage tissue and the blood tissue, you will find that cartilage tissue consists of many similar types of cells, but blood contains 2 types of different cells. So, any tissue consists of cells. We have to talk about the animal cell for an example. Animal cell, as you look here, it consists of nucleus, mitochondria, vacuole, microtubules, ribosomes, and so on. Also, we will talk about it next unit. But you have to know that all of these things that present inside the cell are called organelles. So, we have to know that living organisms' bodies consist of systems, organs, tissues, cells, organelles. But we have to know something, that these organelles may contain organic molecules or inorganic molecules. Organic molecules, they are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acid. Each one of these molecules, we will talk about them in details, and each of one of them is about one complete lesson. If we want to define organic molecules, we will find that they are big molecules containing mainly hydrogen and carbon atoms in their structure. Such big molecules are called biological macromolecules because they are present inside our body and they are large-sized molecules. We will find another type of molecules that are present inside the cell that's called inorganic molecules. Inorganic molecules mean that they may contain carbon or not, such as water, H2O, and salts like NaCl. First, we will talk about the first biological macromolecule that is called carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are sugars, starch, and fibers. Sugars that present inside fruits, starch that present inside bread and potato, fibers that present inside vegetables. Carbohydrates are considered as the main source for energy. Another type of biological macromolecule that's called lipids. Lipids are considered as all types of fats like oil, butter, and cheese. These lipids are very important for our life because they work as thermal insulator under your skin. What's mean by thermal insulator? Thermal insulator means it's a layer that present inside your skin. This layer prevents the leakage out of the temperature from your body to the surrounding medium. So it keeps your body warm in winter. So you have to know that lipids works as thermal insulator. Another type of biological macromolecule that's called proteins. Proteins are present around us in all types of meats, also in cheese, in egg, in milk, and so on. These proteins are used in building your muscle. The fourth type of biological macromolecule, nucleic acids. Nucleic acids like DNA and RNA. They carry the genetic traits that are responsible for appearance of all characters of the body. So we have to know that living organisms' bodies consist of systems, organs, tissues, cells, cellular organelles, organic molecules, and inorganic molecules. Organic molecules in living organisms are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acid. They are big molecules containing hydrogen and carbon basically form a human body. Such big molecules are also known as biological macromolecules. So, in this chapter, we will talk about chemical structure of living organism's body. Thank you.